My bad, my bad. All right. So now that we're recording, let us begin our agenda. So we have 6 points here that we will be discussing. Some of the information will be discussed briefly. So if ever gusto nyo malaman or mag-emphasize for some of the information, we will be posting this recording. Mahina mic ko, sorry. Okay na, Gabriel? Ayan. Is it okay now? Okay, thank you. Sorry. Kasi galing China yung headphone ko eh. All right. So after this, we'll be posting the recording sa ating YouTube page. I-share din natin yan sa ating Facebook. So feel free to watch it anytime. Pause and discuss with your spouse or your parents o kung sino mag-sponsor or tutulong sa inyo. Next slide, please. All right. So quick introduction lang po. Again, this is a batch 3 of our Bulgaria program, and we are proud to say Anicon as an education tourism company specialized and almost I would say exclusively promoting and developing Bulgaria as a study destination. That's what we're good at. We develop new destinations that will help Filipinos to get opportunities via study abroad. So Bulgaria, nag-start kami dyan, hindi pa siya part ng Shenzhen. Then around March 2024, fully immersed na siya as part of the Schengen zone, which means kapag nakarating kayo ng Bulgaria, ang visa ninyo is Schengen approved, which means visa ninyo is you can go around the whole Schengen area. Ano-ano ang Schengen area? It's 29 or 28 countries in total. That would be Romania, Spain, Italy, France, Germany. So napakaraming countries. One visa that you get, but you get access to 20 plus countries in Europe, right? And with that, since aligned na tayo sa Schengen zone, marami ng privileges ang makukuha ang mga students natin. Like you will have a residency card, you will have access to some of the partners of our colleagues in Bulgaria sa Poland. Meron sila manpower agent partner doon. Though we are not promoting manpower, just to emphasize, we're not promoting work. What we're promoting and assisting you is the study program. Okay? Sorry, pabalik muna, Georgie. Dumigay lang ako. Ayan, sorry. Second paragraph, since August 2023, sinimulan natin yung batch 1 ng continuing education ng Bulgaria. There are around 80 plus Filipinos who went there. So kilala tayo ng consul sa Sofia, Bulgaria, which is the capital. They are aware of our program. And even the embassy who is based in Hanoi is very much active in supporting us. As of the moment, nasa 100% visa approval po tayo. Again, this is as of the moment. I'm not saying by the time you apply, it's immediately approved. Wala tayong control. It's always 50-50. But statistically, the numbers are on our side. Next slide po, Georgie. Ayan. So this is, wala lang siyang sound talaga, no? Anyway, it's fine. Um, this is a video just to show you one of the resorts that you will be doing your internship or continuing education practical experience. So this is in Bansko, Bulgaria. We also have resorts located in Varna, Bulgaria. So Varna, just to give you an idea, para siyang city na punong-puno ng mga different hotels and resorts. Para siyang summer capital of some sort ng Bulgaria itself. It's around 4 to 6 hours away from Sofia, the capital. They also have an airport, so may access kayo doon. So this is just a video, what you'll be doing. This program, by the way, guys, is specifically focusing on the hospitality sector. Okay? So hospitality, you will have trainings under housekeeping, culinary, bartending, and waiting or waiter. Yeah. So the culture is a bit different. Okay? As you can see, may snow po. Okay? Very seasonal ang ating Bulgaria. You won't have to worry because the teaching for the online classes would be in English. Okay? It is required that you speak fluent English. Kung nahihirapan po sa pag-i-English, huwag po mahiya magsabi. We will try to address your issues kasi we don't want to assist you. Then pag dumating kayo ron, mamomroblema kayo. Learning the language, not exactly Bulgarian or Russian, but basically English is important since you are working in the hospitality sector. Again, this is only one of the few resorts. There you go. So hopefully na-entice kayo ng kaunti to enter Bulgaria, right? Bulgaria is quite a new destination for most Filipinos, but you can do your own research. We can assure you it's a very, very safe country and very good opportunity for you to enter Europe. Right. So the next slide you're seeing right now is basically the details about the internship itself. So under the guidance of industry professionals, I'll show you the profile of our professors later on. The goal is, of course, magkaroon kayo ng relevant and practical industrial skills. Okay? Practical is very important to say kasi ibig sabihin, pag natapos kayo, it's basically for you to transition eventually to possible workforce. When I say
Pinay sa na
transition,
module. Hindi ko kadug.
when I say transition to workforce, meaning magagamit po ninyo yung aaralin nyo pagdating sa workforce. Okay? Um, Additionally, students should be able to enhance their expertise and proficiency upon completion of the internship. You should be able to successfully perform the duties in this industry. Next slide, please. Next slide po. All right. So ito po yung magiging timeline natin. We will be very strict with the timeline. That's one of the key changes that we have done. So ang start ng online class natin is January 2025, number 4. Then ang application niyan will start October 1. Okay? The earlier you start your online class, the earlier you will be in Bulgaria, the more opportunities you can get. I don't want to hear na sasabihin, may November naman, may December, there can always be changes in terms of visa processing. So we would encourage that everyone, if you can apply and comply within as early as November, we need 20 students for October, by the way. We need 20 students for October. We may, take note of the keyword may, need by November and also December. Pero i-encourage ko kayo to secure your slot within October pa lang po para po mas madali ang processing ng inyong papers and application. Bakit po ganoong kaaga? Kung kumpara natin sa ibang study program, hindi pa nga po siya maaga, medyo mabilis siya. Pero kasi pinaprocess yung papeles ninyo sa Bulgaria government mismo. So minsan matagal ang mga papel. And as you know, working with the government, it's quite unpredictable how the process works. Okay? So yan po. Let's focus po muna sa number 1, which is October 1 to 31. This is where you need to secure your slot. You coordinate with Georgie. If you need convincing to your parents or sponsor, let us know. We're open to schedule a call, or you can visit us again Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. This will start for January 2025 for online classes. Kapag nag-start ang online classes, magsa-start na rin kayo ng visa application ninyo. Right? So, yeah. Next slide po. Ayan po. So ito yung summary lang ng mangyayaring timeline ninyo. Pag nag-start ang online class ng January to March, 3 months siya. We will do the visa orientation, of course, around April or May. Medyo nilawakan na namin yung timeline dito. Medyo spread out yung timing natin kasi again, there are tons of unpredictable situations when you process the application and we have no control over it. We are very transparent always with you. We are just hoping that you guys act mature and understand the whole situation and just ask us anything. And we will tell you what's going on with your application. Your internship ideally should start around April, then 6 months counting yan hanggang doon kayo. What happens after the program? It will be up to you, subjective to your experience and performance. They can offer you a possible work. Go to Poland and tuloy-tuloy na po. During our batch 2 group, may mga nakalipad po ng Poland. I think you saw it at our Facebook page. So it will be depending on your skill. All right? Next slide po. Eto po, the post-internship as mentioned. So after you complete the program, what's going to happen next? Guaranteed you'll be receiving a certificate I think it was also posted on our page. The certificate is valid or accredited siya, recognized by all European Union countries, not only Schengen. So magagamit mo siya sa Europe. So halimbawa, matatapos ka sa program, kunyari lang hindi ka na-offer sa Poland na wala kaming control again, those are only pathways that we provide you. You can definitely do it on your own. It's up to you. As long as you do it legally by law, you can definitely apply as soon as you can. Walang problema po. And that is also the advantage of having a residence card, which Bulgaria already has. Pag nagamit niyo yun, maluwag kayo at legal kayo makakaikot sa loob ng Europe po. Okay? Next slide. All right. For the qualifications, kung may tanong kayo, you can just type it down ha, wag mahihiya. Qualifications, ito yung mga requirement kung gusto niyo mag-apply. Kung old curriculum gumraduate, or ito yung K10, meaning 6 years elementary, 4 years high school, at least secondary college dapat ang natapos niya hanggang second year college po. Kung high school graduate naman, kumbaga hindi tumunto ng kolehiyo talaga, for consideration, ang mag-a-approve niyan is si na Sir Lonel at si Ma'am Georgie. Send lang po ng details ninyo. Pag new curriculum, at least K-12 graduate or associate degree test, yan. Nandiyan na po lahat yan, very much self-explanatory. Preferably, ang age is at least 18 years old. Okay? Then, kasi siyempre, magte-training and mag-work kayo doon for the internship. And of course, the age, ideally, take note, this is ideally not more than 45 years of age. And most importantly, dapat po can speak in conversational English at the very least. We will not ask naman ng requirement ng mga IELTS or Duolingo, but we will be able to determine kung conversational kaya naman po mag-hold. Next slide po. Right, and in terms of requirements, ito lang po yung mga hihingi natin. I would suggest paki-ready na po. High school diploma, college diploma. Ma'am Georgie, kailangan pa ba ng transcript nito? Georgie.
Possible po, sir, if ever, nabigay din po nila.
Sige, thank you. All right, so high school diploma, college diploma, but if you can provide your transcript as well, much better. Ang suggestion ko rin po, sasabit nyo na maaga, magpa-apostille na rin kayo ng inyong college and high school diploma. Para saan ang apostille? Ang lumang tawag dyan ay red ribbon. Baka kasi i-required eventually for the Poland program. Mas magandang kumpleto na po. Kasi ang pagpapa-apostille takes months. And usually, ang nag-aandar niyan, kung hindi si student, yung school registrar mismo. So, sa ngayon, sa application sa amin, high school diploma plus transcript kung kaya, college diploma plus transcript, then passport, ID picture, resume, NBI, valid for 1 year. The resume, wala tayong format po, pero maganda i-detalye nyo lang sa resume, ang inyong background, saan nag-work, anong job description, saan nagtapos, kumpletong detalye po. Okay? Wala tayong format, wala tayong mga Bulgarian format of resume. Just submit whatever is easy to read na resume po. Next slide. Ayan, ito po ang pictures ng ating mga dating estudyante na napalipad sa Bulgaria. So pag nagtanong po kayo sa page kung kumusta na sila, nakapagpaalis na kami, here is the proof. And again, you just browse our page, nandun po lahat, even the reviews, our students who flew to Bulgaria already. Lahat sila nakapag-train. May mga umuwi, kasi again, subjective naman yan. Umuwi sila dahil gusto nilang umuwi, pero may mga lumipat ng may mga lumipat ng country. As far as I've heard, some of them went to Dubai, nag-work na ron with a higher salary dahil meron silang European certification. Some have went to Poland since nag-start ang Poland program ng batch 2. And for batch 3, of course, mas marami kayong options. Again, this is a continuing education program under Anicon that will help you out, increase your competency globally. Kung hindi man sa Europe, magagamit nyo ito sa kahit ibang bansa at kaya nyo mag-negotiate na mas mataas ng salary kasi European certified po kayo. Next slide. Ayan, I think I mentioned naman briefly while discussing benefits of the program. Dagdag ko na lang siguro, third bullet. Part of the program is that there will be a cashback amount sa travel expenses pagdating sa Bulgaria. That's how good and affordable the program is. How much the cashback will be dependent na lang po, but I think it's around 400 USD. Don't finalize my word for it yet, but definitely there will be a few cashback pagdating sa travel expenses ninyo, which will be given pagdating ninyo sa Bulgaria po. Okay? Accommodation, pabalik po. Sorry, accommodation is free. Meron ding ilang free meals once the shift is finished. Pero ang meal usually, there are some cases na once a day lang siya. Kasi depende kung saan kayo maa-assign. Okay? Binabato kayo sa mga host companies. They have their own policies. So we tried our best to negotiate the benefits. But again, what you're going there to learn. Okay? Don't expect too much na gusto nyo lahat libre. You need to spend on it and invest on it. The return of investment is after you finish the program. Okay? And this is a sample of the certification po. Okay, next slide. And our professors. As you can see, pinakamababang level na po dyan ang PhD. So mga doctors sila, okay? Mga doctorate graduates. They will be teaching everyone. Their English is very, very good. Hindi po kayo mahirapang intindihin sila. They'll be teaching you the specialization of a European certified hospitality program. Next slide. Okay, some additional of the benefits. Eto. Let's run eto. Third bullet, paid internship, the monthly payment. Let's call it allowance, not salary kasi you're doing internship, but you're paid around 700 euros per month. Okay? Uulitin ko po, do not expect a return of investment when you start the program. Like any other study programs that we have, although short-term course ito, you will be able to get the return of investment once you transition to a better opportunity after, which is subjective to you. Okay? The internship period before is 3 months. Ngayon, 6 months na po. So, very, very good ang opportunity for you to stay longer. And I'm sure within that 6 months, you'll be able to get better opportunities eventually. Okay? Once you get to start working full-time, of course, possible salary based on, you can even just check it on Google. Possible salary can range from minimum 900 euros per month and going up. So, mataas naman po. Next slide, please. Right, we have a few more slides to go. Don't worry, if you have questions, I can type them down at the chat box. And these are three of our students na nagkaroon ng TRC Shenzhen card. Ito mga to is, sila ba yung magpo-Poland? I'll have to verify. Pero this is one of the changes ng Bulgaria is maging part ng Shenzhen zone po. Next slide. All right, some samples of the accommodation natin. Okay, next slide po. Sa accommodation naman po, hiwalay ang male and female. You don't have to worry about it, okay? And these are some of our students there. Ito yung mga certification nila. They get it nung dumating sila doon. Next slide po. Okay, some of our partner hotels where you will be deployed. There you go. Suking-suki po tayo ng Gladiola Hotel. Very, very good clients, good friends. We've been there. Good resort as well. Of course, the MPM Group, marami silang hawak na institutions or tourism establishments. Next slide. Okay. Sige po, next slide ulit. There you go. And some pictures that we have, yan po ang partner natin, exclusive partner in Bulgaria, si Dr. Peter Shrotin, kasama ang kanyang lovely wife, si Miss Yulia. So they are the ones who will be your family once you get to Bulgaria. Okay? So wala po kayong dapat alalahanin at wala kayong dapat ikatakot. Kapag dumating kayo doon, they will be assisting you. Ang request ko lang po sa inyo, okay, hindi ko mo nagbabayad tayo sa kanila is medyo magiging spoiled na tayo. You need to follow the process, understand the culture so they can also give you eventually a lot of opportunities to go around Europe in transition sa inyong opportunity na nakuha while studying with them. Next slide. Ayan, yun ang pictures nila. Si Ma'am Yulia sa gitna. Next slide po. Okay. Sige. This is the package cost. You can just, eto, medyo alam ko gustong-gusto nyo itong part na to. Compared to the batch 1 and batch 2, the cost is a bit more friendly and much more easier. There were changes, of course, because we needed to adapt and improve kung ano yung mga possible areas to improve ng batch 1 and 2. And that's what we've been doing every day. So yan yung cost natin, and based dun sa length ng stay niyo sa Bulgaria, mas malaki pa rin po ang matitipid niyo and the opportunity that you will get. So this is already self-explanatory. If you want a breakdown and specific timing of the payment, kindly discuss it with Miss Georgie. Set an appointment, one-on-one consultation. Our office hours is Monday to Friday, 8 to 5 p.m. and Saturdays at 8 to 3 p.m. But if you have any question after office hours, you can just message me at WhatsApp. I'll probably type it later sa ating chat box po. Next slide, Georgie. Ayan, some of the additional cost lang naman po to expect. Ang masasabi ko po kung susmahin natin lahat ng ilalabas yung amount. Ang kagandahan po ng study in Bulgaria natin, which is a continuing education, there's no show money required. Okay? Walang required na show money po ito kasi short course lang po siya. Um, kung pag-uusapan natin yung total ng ilalabas na amount, siguro mga 200 to 250K. Malaki na yung 250, actually baka 200K lang pwede na. Okay, yun yung ilalabas nyo total amount. Okay? Average na siguro yun, maybe 220, ganong amount. Yun yung expect nyo. 158 plus other miscellaneous expenses po. Next slide. These are some of the testimonials. You can just check it on our Facebook. Can we play the TikTok? This is from Lynette, one of our students there, na nasa Dubai ngayon. Ito lang sa akin. Okay, next slide po. Yung visa application po guys will be happening in Hanoi, not in the Philippines kasi nandun ang embahada. And this is a message from our director in Bulgaria. Sige po, may subtitle siya kasi he speaks Russian or Bulgarian. Sige po, please play. All right, so that's Professor or Dr. Shirotin. Next slide. May slide pa ba tayo? One more slide. All right. So that's it. Thank you very much for listening, everyone. And we are now opening the floor for any questions. Sige, ako na magsasagot siguro. Kasi nag-echo tayo, Georgie, ano? All right, type in your questions now. Just open the chat box. Ay, wala palang tanong. Chat lang ta. All right. So if you have any question, you can just raise your hand and ask us anything right now po. And Georgie, do you have any promotional offers pala? Let me bring back the floor to you muna.
Ayun, sa mga umattend ng webinar natin, I can give you a 5% discount for our initial reservation, which is 30 amounted 30K. So if magsasign kayo sa amin ng contract today or by Monday, I will give you a less than 5K. So which will be able makakalas kayo ng 5K to 20K na lang instead of 30K. So, malaking ano na rin, tulong for your reservation. Pwede nyo siyang magamit for your health insurance if ever mag-assign kayo sa amin ng contract. Ayun lang naman po yung aking magbibigay na discount, sir. For any questions po or clarifications, Pero ano ko na lang din po na yung visa appearance nyo, ayun, pupunta po kayo ng Hanoi and then babalik here in the Philippines na pumunta ng Bulgaria. Ayun po.
All
Sige
right.
po guys, magtanong po kayo.
All right. May matanong ba tayo?
Meron sa.
Yeah. All right, let me read this. Question from Miss Weni. As part of the qualifications you mentioned, we need college diploma. Do you entertain college undergrad? Yes po. So, ma'am, ang sasabit mo, ma'am Weni, would be high school diploma, high school transcript. Then, kung di ka na mag-graduate ng college, siguro kung ano yung transcript na lang na meron ka po, ma'am. Pasubmit na lang din po nun. So, ang ipapa-apostil mo niyan, ma'am, would be high school documents lang po. Then, additional attachments na lang yung ating college. Then sorry, before I continue answering this, there are cases daw na yung student from Hanoi is lumilipad direct to Bulgaria. Though we are not really confirming or encouraging that kasi ang issue natin is immigration. Alam niyo naman immigration ng Pilipinas medyo makulay. Ang logic kasi ng immigration is once you fly, whatever your purpose is, you need to go back. So, if may case lang na makakalipad kayo directly from Hanoi to Bulgaria, as long as legal and as long as it's allowed, walang problema po sa amin. We'll just guide you. But in our case, for the sake of this conversation, we would inform you na it's best na umuwi muna to fly out from here po. Okay? Again, para lang hindi tayo ma-foul po sa immigration. Right. Next question from Mary Antoinette. Will there be another webinar? Na-late po ako. Ma'am Antoinette, kasi nag-aantay ka ng webinar, huwag ka mag-alala. Ipopost natin ito later sa YouTube. So, give me 30 minutes. I'll be posting this on our YouTube page. Then, share natin sa Facebook. And ang suggestion ko rin po, kung may time ka naman, you can talk to Ma'am G after this webinar. Siguro around 2 p.m. available po siya. Pwede kayo magpa-consult. Mas mabilis po iyan, ma'am. Okay? Sa mga late po, like itong si Gmar, pasukin natin si Gmar. Late. Yung mga late, don't worry po. We will be posting this on our YouTube account. You can just watch it, ask anything after, then we would suggest you to decide as soon as possible. Kasi yung promo ni Ma'am G, it will only last in 2 minutes. Joke lang. Okay. We will check. Probably, Ma'am G, gano'ng katagal yung promo? Hanggang Monday lang daw yung promo ni Miss G. Okay? So, confirm as soon as possible. Again, we're only looking for 20 slots for the month of October po. Okay? Sir Gabriel. Sir, ma'am, sabi po sa benefits may free accommodation. Ano po yung accommodation expense sa additional cost? Good point. I like how ito gusto ko mga nag-assess talaga. So the accommodation, Sir Gabriel, would be for Vietnam. Kasi again, the visa appointment is in Hanoi. So there's a possibility lang na magstay kayo ng 1 or 2 nights doon para lang ma-process yung inyong visa. Okay? Wag naman po kayo mag-alala kasi pag na-start yung visa ninyo, pag ni-run, usually there are cases, I would say 80% na a-approve ng same day. Kung magkaroon man ng delay, nagkaroon lang ng delay ng batch 2 kasi yun yung nagtatransition ng system ng Bulgaria from not being a member of Schengen to becoming a member. Kaya may mga cases, very, very rare na nag-stay sila ng 3 to 5 days doon. Very rare yon. At this time, I would say, confidently say na same day pa approve ang visa ninyo, high chance. Then maybe you won't need to stay. Maybe 1 night overnight lang would be good. Sa mas mura pa accommodation sa Vietnam. Right? So yun po yun, sir. Good question. Ma'am Micaela, sino po mag-shoulder ng fare sa visa appearance? Kayo na po, ma'am. Yung breakdown na pinakita ko, once you get back at it sa YouTube, pag pinost ko, wala kami binigay doon. Kayo po ang sasagot ng inyong fare papuntang Vietnam, pati visa, i-guide namin kayo kung papaano. Bakit hindi kami? Unahan ko na yung isipin ninyo. Thank you, Ma'am G. Kaya hindi namin iso-shoulder yon kasi tinry namin before na kinukuha namin. Ang mangyari, papadala rin namin pabalik. Kasi requirement ng embassy, kayo mismo ang magbayad face-to-face. So, sumusunod lang po kami sa embahada po. Okay? So, ipamasahe kayo na rin po kasi kayo rin po ang magsasend ng appointment. So far, we're trying to inform the embassy kung possible kami mag-set for all. Pero since lahat ay may kanya-kanyang schedule, medyo mahirap siyang buuin. Especially you have your own personal schedules, personal work, ganyan-ganyan. So, kayo po ang magbubook. Mura lang naman po ang booking ng Hanoi kasi Southeast Asia lang siya. You just need to expect when you fly to Vietnam, it's a red-eye flight, meaning madaling araw po lagi ang lipad. Okay? So, and hopefully I answer your question, Ma'am Micaela. So, ito pa, yan yung additional cost, yan yung papuntang Vietnam. Magkano airfare papuntang Bulgaria? It will depend on the season, pero usually it's around maybe 30K one way, mga ganun, 30 to 50. One way, ganun po. Alright, additional question from Sir Gabriel. So, sir, sa pagkuha ng visa sa Hanoi at pagpunta doon, kayo ang mag-shoulder. Kapin po muna. Kayo po talaga mag-shoulder, hindi po muna. Kayo po talaga magbabayad, sir. We tried before, we're shouldering it in batch 1 mainly, pero it doesn't work sustainably. Mahirap tumansya po. So it's much better na kayo po. And yun nga po, kung titignan niyo yung gagastusin niyo, that's why I computed kanina, papunta nga dun sa slide ng package, Georgie, 150 something. Ayan, ito yung cost na ilalabas ninyo. Wala pa po yung sa Hanoi. Kaya sinabi ko po kanina, kung isasama niyo yung lipad sa Hanoi, pating airfare papuntang Bulgaria, pwede kayong pumalo ng mga 200 to 250K. Yun yung total na ilalabas po ninyo. Okay? Pero kung susumahin po yan sa tagal ng stay nyo doon, dati 3 months lang, ngayong 6 months, then possible continuation for work. So mas magiging madali na po sa inyo and mababawi nyo ang inyong investment. Alright? Thank you for that question, Sir Gabriel. Sir Carlo, anong visa type po ang bibigay ni Bulgaria? Student visa na po. Yun po ang some of the changes. Before, it was a seasonal visa. It's not exactly seasonal work, but a seasonal type D visa. But ngayon, student visa na po ang ini-issue. Okay? That's the instruction given to us. Kasi Shenzhen na po sila. Etong batch 2, seasonal visa pa rin po sila. Seasonal type D, it's the same level as tourist but there's a specific purpose. Okay? We don't issue tourist kasi that is technically not the purpose of your travel. So kung ano yung purpose ng travel, yun po ang i-issue na visa. Thank you for that, Sir Carlo. Other questions pa po? Any other question? So again, wala pong show money ang pagte-take ng ating continuing education program. The terms are also a bit easier. You will only pay once the service has been established. So nakikita niya yan yung breakdown natin. You can always get the details from this from Miss Georgie, from Miss G. Question pa po? Schedule ng online class. Thank you, Miss Cristel. Usually, the schedule is every Sunday. Once a week lang po siya madalas in a span of 3 months. Ang experience namin sa past batch namin, may mga groupings yan minsan. They do assignments weekly, kanya-kanyang chat group. May individual work. So, it's a very, very good, I think they also use Google. Google Class ang gamit yata nila, Google Classroom. So, there's a system for it. Once a week lang po ang inyong online class. So, hindi kayo mahirapan sa schedule ninyo. And malalaman nyo naman ahead. So, to those working on a Sunday, I would advise to try to adjust your schedule na po if you are really committed to this program. Next slide. Next slide tuloy. Next question. All right. From Carlos, sa Philippine immigration po ba, they're going to ask you purpose of travel to Vietnam? Definitely. You just have to tell them the truth. Tell them that you're applying for a student visa to Bulgaria and they won't mind. But again, that's immigration for you. Depende kung nino ka matapat. But in our experience, as long as you're honest, you're telling them the truth and everything's documented, wala naman pong problema. There can be cases na ma-hold kayo ng kaunti, interviewin, but definitely makakalabas po kayo. Okay? That's how it works po talaga in our process. Just everything's documented. We tell them the truth. All good naman po. Okay? Wala naman tayong student na na-hold at hindi nakalipad. Okay? From Denise Claire. Where is the internship going to be located po? Bulgaria, ma'am. Mostly in Varna, Bulgaria. Varna is like the second top city of Bulgaria. Capital is Sofia. Okay. You can if fun you can check the presentation later again, ma'am, at YouTube po. I'll be posting this uh, before 3 p.m. siguro. Anything else? All right, thank you to those who came. And if meron di kayo mai-invite na mga colleagues ninyo who can be interested to participate, let us know. Hopefully we can work out a commission system like a referral fee kung may mga kayo maipapasok at pagtutuloy sa program natin. That's how we did it with batch 1 and 2. We supported them. Yung iba nga sa dami na refer, wala nang binayaran halos. Because that's how good the program is. Very established, very new, pero the thing is batch 3 na kayo, it shows the validity of the program naman po. Gabriel, yung initial package kasamang online class. Yes, Gabriel, kasama ng tuition fee nyo roon sa online class. Yung package na binigay namin, that's already the most of the cost. Ang hindi lang sinama is yung sa Hanoi. Kasi wala po kaming control sa airfare. Right, I can accept 1 to 2 more questions. Anything else? All good. All right. It's 1:45 in the afternoon on a Saturday. Thank you very much to those who joined. Again, just a reminder, Miss Georgie is giving a discount until Monday only, no extensions. So if you want to apply and proceed with your Bulgaria program, just send her an email, shoot her some information. Let me type my WhatsApp number pala, no? So for after office hours, you can message me here and I'll try to reply. Okay, WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Okay, pag after office hours, pwede yan. Okay, sorry. Last question from Sir Gabriel before I give back the floor to Miss Georgie. Just want to confirm, after mag-online class, kami mag-shoulder na expenses, flight for to Bulgaria. Yes, Gabriel. Yung flight to Bulgaria, kayo talaga yon. Hindi namin din nilalagay yung cost kasi mahirap i-predict ang cost na flight. But we can give you an idea. That's why, again, ang mindset ninyo, pwedeng ilabas nyo, baka pinakamataas ng 250K. Okay? Sige. Thank you for the question, Sir Gabriel. All right, Miss Georgie, I bring the floor back to you.
Hello po. Ayan. Sa mga interested po pala na gusto na mag-apply or mag-sign sa amin ng contract, please po, ano niyo po ako sa WhatsApp ko. Ayan po yung WhatsApp ko. Yung mga gusto na po ngayon or makipag-communicate sa akin para mabigay ko na rin po yung list and ma-reserve na yung slot niyo. Since limited offer lang po yung slot ng kinukuha nating application. Ayun. You can ano na po, message me through via WhatsApp na lang po para mas mabilis sa communication. Pero pwede rin po sa email, atcedueurope@gmail.com. Yun po. If ever nga po na magsasign kayo sa amin, ayun, less 5K po until Monday. So, imbes na 30K, so yun, 25K na lang yung initial reservation nyo. Non-refundable po yun for slot reservation. And assisting po ng school application na rin po. So, ayun lang po yung ano ko. Thank you for attending our webinar po. So, magkakaroon pa rin po kami ng webinar by next Saturday. Pwede rin po kayo umattend or yung mga friends nyo, acquaintances, ayun. Ayun po, thank you po. Wala na po ba kayo clarifications or questions? Sabihin ka sabihin. Ayun po, okay na po. Thank you po ulit sa mga nag-attend. So, yun. Makapag-communicate po kayo sa akin sa WhatsApp. So, yun. Thank you.